So on this RS4 we have the upper coolant hose for the radiator. Here the nipple broke. You can see there's a nipple like this that goes in this hose. It gets so old, it cracks, and actually I just had debris inside the hose. I just moved this hose back and it broke at the nipple because it was just so hard and brittle. So I'm gonna have to replace this. There's still coolant in this, so I did clamp the upper reservoir here to prevent more coolant to flow down. So here I used two hose clamp holders to move my clamps out of the way, and now I'm just gonna have to slide and swap with a new part. In terms of mess, it's actually not that bad. There we go. Okay, so here I replaced the stock clamp with a worm gear clamp. So don't forget to put the holder back for the second hose here, and that's it. I use Euro parts. It actually came next day delivery on Amazon. Quick and easy change. Now I can release the pressure here on my hose, and I will just top off the coolant and run the car.